In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use slash commands in Claude Code. Slash commands are quick shortcuts that start with a forward slash and let you control Claude Code without writing long prompts. Think of them as precise, predictable actions you can trigger in the chat so you spend less time describing what you want and more time getting it done. First, open Claude Code and load the project or chat where you want to work. With your workspace ready, click into the input box and type a single slash. As soon as you do, an autocomplete menu appears with a list of available commands. This menu is there to help you discover what's supported in your environment, and the options may vary depending on your version. Next, pick a command from the list or just type it out manually if you already know it. For a quick overview of everything at your disposal, try typing help. That command will show you the full catalog of slash commands available to you right now. Some commands accept additional instructions so you can be specific about what you want. For example, typing review index s asks Claude to review that exact file. Adding a file name, a path, or a concise description tells Claude exactly what to act on, which makes the result more accurate. Here are a few common commands you'll likely use often. Use help to see the available commands in your setup. Use review index.js to review a particular file and surface issues or suggestions. If you want to automatically address problems, fix index.js will look for issues and apply fixes. When you need clarity, explain index.js breaks down what the code does in plain language. To make changes, edit index.js lets you modify a file with clear instructions like adjusting a function or renaming variables. If you want to create something new, generate login system in Node.js will produce fresh code based on your prompt. And to quickly open a file you want to work with, open index.js brings it into focus. A powerful way to work is to chain these actions. For example, start with review index.js to gather feedback, then follow up with commands to address the findings, resolve issues, and optimize performance. This approach is much faster than writing long open-ended prompts and helps you stay in control of the workflow. Remember, available commands can change across versions. If something doesn't work or you're not sure what's supported, run /help and follow the options shown in autocomplete. With these basics, you're ready to move faster and more confidently in Claude Code using slash commands.